A lot of information that makes the price of Pep coin go up has just come out, and it looks like Pep is about to go on a huge bull run. So, if you're interested in Pepe coin or have any Pepe coins, you should read this. What's the newest story about Pepe? How will this affect the price of Pepe? I will answer these questions and tell you about the new information about Pepe coin that has just come out that will make its price go up. There is still a good chance that you could become a millionaire with Pepe. I did a lot of study for this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through so you don't miss any information that could help you raise the price. Welcome to Wealthy Coin, where you can get your daily crypto fix. This is the place to be if you're interested in everything crypto. If you want to stay on top of all the crypto news and remain ahead of the game in the crypto world, subscribe and hit the like button. We will then send you crypto news. Oh, and before we go any further, this station gives away 1 million Shiba tokens every day. If you want to enter, all you have to do is follow this page. Comment with the hashtag ShibaNew if you like this movie. Have fun. Let's look at the map and see what the price of Pepe is doing on November 4th before we get to our subject, shall we? Pepe's price right now is about 108 units, which is 108. There have been 8.5 million trades of Pepe in the last 24 hours, which means that its price has dropped 4.8%. The token is also the 95th most valuable coin right now, with a market cap of over $455 million. Please remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch the movie. Also, this is not financial advice. The amount of Pepe coins in circulation is 420 trillion. Do you want to buy, sell, or trade Pepe or any other cryptocurrency? Then you need to join Next Global. Gain up to $9,100 in free cryptocurrency if you join through the link in my bio. Also, guys, click on the link in the description to join our free Telegram group. We'll be giving away free stocks to trade. We need to tell you about the latest crypto news before we get to the main story of the movie. Let's get right to it and not waste any time. On Friday, Bitcoin, Pepe, and the crypto market all ran into problems. Bitcoin dropped below 35,000 just one day after rising to test support at that level. Almost all altcoins were seen as negative. For example, Binance Coin, Solana, and Tron all fell by 1.5%, 2.4%, and 1.7%, respectively. After the US Bank meeting on Wednesday, traders were very interested in how Bitcoin would do. The Federal Reserve didn't change interest rates, but they did say that rates will need to go up again before the end of the year, and they will have to be very strict with money in the coming months to help fight inflation in the world's biggest economy. Keep in mind that the drop in the crypto market comes after a long-awaited rebound in the crypto market due to rumors of a spot Bitcoin ETF. 2 interest rate hikes in a row by the US Federal Reserve and a dovish speech by Chair Jerome Powell have had a calming effect on the economy and on world politics. This has led big investors to start buying again. The fear and greed measure for the crypto market has dropped from 72 to 6 to 5 in the last 24 hours. However, people are still generally optimistic about the market. After weeks of getting better, the crypto market went down, and traders chose to take their profits before Friday's expiration. In the next few days, 42,000 Bitcoin options worth a total of $1.46 billion are set to expire, with a put-call ratio of 0.58. The most it hurts is $30,000. A total of 220,000 Ethereum options worth a total of $390 million are also set to end. Glass data shows that coins have been sold off in huge amounts, worth over $1,150 million in the last 2 days. Because of the sell-off, more than 52,000 buyers have lost all of their money in the last 24 hours. Today, the crypto market as a whole is down. People are still impressed by Pepe and Floki, which means that joke coins are on the rise. Meme coins are part of a bigger trend in the world of crypto that's not just about money. They draw on pop culture, internet communities, and viral trends to make people feel like they belong. There has been a big rise in the value of joke coins on the cryptocurrency market. Two that stand out are Pepe and Floki, whose prices have gone up an amazing 73% and 95%, respectively, in the last 14 days. Would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still watching. It doesn't cost anything and helps the station a lot. Also, keep an eye on the screen to learn about the latest Pepe coin news. It looks crazy that Pepe whale buys billions of tokens while Pepe's price drops. A whale paid more than $1 million to buy a lot of Pepe, according to an ex post from the on-chain tracking site today. The post says that over the last 2 days, this whale bought 996 billion Pepe with 617 Ethereum, which is worth $1.11 million. The post also showed that the same whale made 2 big trades before this Pepe buy. Data from the chain shows that the whale lost 406 to 5 Ethereum, which is worth 1.3 million on Arbitrum. The whale was able to make up for some of its losses, though, with a maker deal that made him 423k. The daily relative strength index and the daily moving average convergence divergence indicators both pointed to a short-term bearish theory, which means that Pepe's price may go down. In the past few days, the RSI line fell below the RSI and SMA line. This means that on Pepe's daily chart, buyers are no longer strong against sellers. Besides that, the MACD line was trying to break below the MACD signal line, which could mean that Pepe's negative trend will likely continue. But stay tuned, because we're about to show you what else has been going on with Pepe Coin and how this will affect the project's value in the short and long run. With a huge 50% monthly rise, Pepe Coin blew past the competition as a joke coin. In the past month, Pepe rose 50%. During a token burn event, coders burned $5.5 million worth of tokens, which is equal to 6.9 trillion Pepe. This is when the price went up. According to CoinDesk, the Pepe team now has 379 trillion tokens, which are worth $3.72 billion. If they sold them on the open market, they wouldn't make much of a difference. Burn implications. The main goal of the action was to address concerns about the team's multisig wallet, which had previously seen transfers that weren't supposed to happen, reportedly by bad developers. That's 1.6% of all the meme coins that were ever made that were burned. The burn made the token worth more than it had been in 2 months. Concerns about the team's token stocks were also eased by the burn. The team now has tokens that would not have much of an effect if they were sold on the open market. Built-in ability to burn. And study on the chain showed that Pepe's contract has a built-in burn feature, which means that its supply can only go down over time. The contract also says that no more tokens can be made. This makes sure that the number of Pepe in circulation can go down over time but not up. There isn't much information about a burn process, though, which makes me wonder how tokens will be burned in the future. Deflationary effects on the asset were made worse by the fact that a lot of tokens belonging to an early adopter were banned and locked up forever. 5 token burns are usually seen as good in the crypto community because they lower the total number of tokens available, which could make them more scarce and drive up the price. For Pepe Coin, the recent burn not only eased worries about the team's holdings, but it also showed a dedication to keeping a deflationary token model. Future burns, as suggested by the built-in burn functionality, could further support this dedication. As of right now, the details of these burns are not well known. But this isn't the only big crypto story right now. Click the movie on the screen to see the 20 best cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Trust me, these 1,000 possible altcoins are not ones you want to miss.